Get ready to unlock the secrets of fluid, professional motion graphics with the After Effects Graph Editor. Let's dive right into the heart of After Effects animation by first setting up a basic animation. Create a new composition and add a shape layer like a rectangle. Give it a color. Now, let's animate the position property by clicking the stopwatch icon. Move your playhead forward in the timeline and change the position of your shape layer to create a second keyframe. Play back the animation to see the basic linear movement. Notice how the movement is consistent from start to finish. Now, open the Graph Editor. You will see a visual representation of your animation speed and values over time. If your Graph Editor is displaying value graphs, click on the Choose Graph Type and Options icon and select Edit Speed Graph. This is where the magic happens. In the speed graph, the slope of the line represents the speed. Flat lines represent constant speed, while slopes indicate changes. To adjust the speed, select your keyframes and use the Bezier handles. Dragging these handles will change the curvature of the line, affecting the speed and timing of the animation. Dragging the handles inward slows down the animation at the beginning or end, creating ease in or ease out effects. Dragging then upward accelerates the motion. Experiment with the handles to create different animation styles. The real key here is practice. Fine-tune your graphs, experiment with different curves, and feel how your changes affect the motion. The Graph Editor is your secret weapon for crafting animations that truly captivate your audience. Use this knowledge to create awesome animations.